Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and we have another two-page, double-page layout using Simply Astrid Scrapbook Kit from Griffin.com. If my volume is too low, I have tried 15 different ways to have it higher. I really am having to holler right now. And concentrate on what I'm saying, but once I start crafting, I talk my normal lower voice, and so you're gonna have to put it on closed caption, I guess, or just follow along. I've tried everything, and it is what it is, and I'm sorry if you don't want to follow me. A lot of people complain and don't want to follow me because of it. Well, it is what it is. I'm sorry. I've tried everything. I've spent a lot of money trying to fix it. So anyway, I just wanted to apologize up front for that. So yeah, this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do, and this is the page layout if you want to screenshot it. If you don't like something, you can eliminate one item, 2 items, or add whatever. But I went through the 300 to 400 pieces and figured out some pages have double page layouts have 18 pieces, some have 12, some have 16, but I used 99.9% of everything that came with it, so hopefully you like these ideas. She does have other kits. I do every one that she has, and I make videos of everyone, so go back to my playlist, and it is under Anna Griffin playlist, or all my tutorials I have made. And she has 2 different sizes, and I've done tutorials on both sizes of all the kits. So this is what we're going to do, and I'm going to tell you what you need. So we're going to use the back of yesterday's right hand side of the polka dot, and I'll show you that when I clean this off. So we're going to need the word cherished and adventure. We're going to need one of each for each size. Photo mats. We're going to need a journaling pink. We're going to need a blue 12-inch border, one each. This is the blue periwinkle. I cut the squares out. It's like 2 inches, 2 1/4 inch, one each, and tape it on the back. We're going to need 1 leaf per page, 1 of the butterflies per page, 1 of these per page, we're going to need how many of these? Let's see. Well, you need 1 each, and they're going different directions per page. And then these are 1 each, going different directions per page. Remember, we are using the back of yesterday's, and then this one. So let's move this one off to the side and get started. I'm kind of sad that the volume, I went and rechecked it. One sounded great, then another one didn't, and I'm just over trying. I've tried different machines, different cameras, different everything, but I feel comfortable using my setup here. It's just the volume is particular. So I'm going to go to the 3rd line, which is 1 inch down. So I got to turn it so I can see better. So I'm going to go 1 inch down and add this strip. Okay, then while I have it sideways for my comfort, I can see better looking at it like that. And I'm going to have the little tick marks down. So I'm going to put this it's going to be in the middle, and I can tell the middle because there's a little diamond. So put it in the middle of that and put it there. So that's like blue on blue, which I like. I'm looking over to the side to remember how I did this. So this goes like this. So let's get our tape. Let's do the four corners and the middle. We have them together, and we have them lining up two dots down and two dots more or less over. When you're working with the paper, you'll understand what I mean by two dots down and two dots over. Okay. I'm going to take the word cherished, take it out. I want a tear in it. Okay, what happened here? It's not tear. No, no, no. Come on, unstick. Okay, there we go. I'm looking to see, and there is little pieces I have to push out. Not too many on this one. Okay, and then we had it, let me see what we had. We had it right here, and I used the bottom of the blue to line it up. That C's got a funny cut in it right there. I must have got too close to the line when I did it. Okay, so this piece is going here. And we started at the end of that corner and we just put it here. And then we had one of the roses. Which rose? We had this rose up there. It doesn't have a tail on it, it just has leaves, so that's nice. And we put it here. Then we have this here, that here, and then this here. So let's start it. So let's take the backing off the leaf. And the leaf was going in between the two, and it's not going to mess anything up, it's flat. And then we just have these like that, and this in the middle to kind of join them. So let's do that. Let's just set it here so we know how far out we can go. Go out to the end of the photo frame and twist it however you feel comfortable. And put the rose however you like it. See if I want it up higher. It looks good. So there is the first page. Let's pull the other one. And start this one. to, let's make sure that this is the direction it needs to go, which we've already used this paper, so it doesn't matter. This is the back. We're going to cover this up with something else, so that's okay, because polka dots go any old way. So once again, I got to do it on its side at the top. So this is the side. So I am going to measure 1 inch down on my table, and then get this one, the blue 12-inch border, and it's going to go in the middle, and you can see a diamond, and the little rickrack is going to the bottom of the page. I'm not measuring, I'm just looking at the actual diamonds in the middle. Well, let's turn it this way. We forgot to add the butterfly to this one, so we'll do that in a second because I just saw it. And this is a sticker. Let's go back to the first one, and the butterfly is going right there. So now we got all this to do. Okay, so we're going to tape 4 corners and the middle. You can always add more depending on your area, if it needs it, if you have a lot of humidity or not. So I'm going to bring these back together, and I know they match there, but I want them to match here. So I had 2 dots down and 2 dots over. And stuck them. And then we had the word adventure. And we're going to put the adventure on this side. I need to move this so I can see. I almost did the wrong thing. Do we need to take any of the stickies out? No. And we're going to go above so what I have done was, I gotta fix something. These have to be twisted around. Okay, we have to now go back, and thank goodness I didn't press that real hard yet. I do it after I get done with my video, and that's how it's supposed to be. And I may add extra glue. My word fell on the floor. Let me pick that up. If it feels like it's not going to stay, but it is now. We're going to put the word adventure right about here. You can measure, or you can measure it to match the other one. Okay. This journaling card, put some tape on it, and we put it down here in the corner, and we glued it down in the middle, but you can still stick a photo underneath that. So we are going to use this one. And we're going to put it right here. Same as the other. And then a rose. Which rose is on there? That rose goes there. So this rose goes up here. these two roses, let's see what we did. We had it that way and that way. We had the littler ones up at the top. So let's add the leaf first. Remember, the leaf was in between them. And then these two roses look like that, and we have them, the littler going to the top and the big ones out to the bottom. So let's add this one here. I know y'all are struggle to hear me, and I'm sorry. It's a pain in my hiney, and I've been having this problem for a couple of years, and it's just not going to go away with however much money I spend. So it is what it is, and I'm aggravated, and I just want to enjoy making videos. I should have been a teacher because I really enjoy teaching. So I'm going to put it there, and I measured with my white rose how it would fit, if you notice that real quick. And then we can put this like that, and now all we have is the butterfly. It went on the left, so this time it's going to go right there on the right. So there is your double page layout for today. This is from annagriffin.com. All my links are down below. Thank you for visiting Victorian Dreams by Leigh. There's a glare, sorry. There you go, guys. Have a blessed day.